If the key is bent, how to solve it? Just like this in my hands. Enter cut by bidding. Please input GM39 on searching bar. It will show what key blanks should be used. Enter this option and install the key blank depending on the guiding picture. Use the stopper to keep the key flat. Remove the stopper. Use this tool to fix the key more stable. Tighten the screws. And then identify the key bidding by eyes. Input 332223 for 312. If all is okay, please click Cut. Original key is on the left. The other is new one that cuts. Try it on.